Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to create a consistent character and bring that character inside of different storyboards or whatever we are going to use. This will be a very short tutorial as the process is very simple. I will just go and show you. First of all, we go to our comic book creator or any image generator that you want. I will just create a random character and it starts generating the image. Let's see the prompt. I will just change this and say pre-generate new character, male, a pixel style, a front view. Let's see what it comes up with. This is good. What we will do, I will just crop the head off of this and save it. Let me go and save it. And then I will go to here, just replace this image I did before. And again, I will just keep the same, and then click Generate. Now we are creating the main character in different expressions. And let's see what comes out. We are using Pulid for Flux from huggingface.com. It's free, but again, there is a limitation per day. And there is also on Replicate another but paid one. This means that sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. I think it's not recognizing the image. What I will do is just copy this prompt and go clear here and generate him. And I will put here like square. I will put him like this. Generate. It's generating. Let's say I will use this one. Let me see. This one is kind of blurred. This one. And let's say I will download this, and then I'll go to enhancement. I will just upscale. It's much better with the upscaled version. I will download this, and then I will just put it here and zoom it. You can see it's really good quality. And what I will do, I will just go and crop the head and save it. I'm sure now it will recognize this. Let's see. Now let's see. And I will do this like a square and generate. I think the image must be like very high definition so it can recognize it as a face, because if you upload something not so good, the program doesn't recognize the face and it just shows you the error message. It's again an error. It's not letting me. Let me make this smaller. And this is also, I will make it like 3. Let's see. Is it okay? So it works now. Different facial expressions. So we can copy this and use it like we did here. But I will not go to do that. I want to generate another image. I will just need to find a nice prompt. Again, I go to ChatGPT and will say, generate new character, male. Okay, he is inside of a car. And this is what I'm doing just to get the prompt. So I will just copy-paste the prompt here. I'll keep everything the same. And then generate. Again, the quality will be a little bit different from this original image because we altered the values here. So I will just go and do another prompt here, like outside street town. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, so the same guy here. Right, so what I do usually, I just download this one, and again, I will go to Creo AI. So we'll upscale the image. And now you will see the quality. It's really making right, so the quality is also, it's just making it better, but like I will download this. And now I will give you a bonus. Like I will try to animate this image. So for that, I will have to go to Kling AI. And in Kling AI, I will go to image to video. I just upload the one we just downloaded. I will keep here. One video, 5 seconds. Walking. I will just keep it very simple, so just click create, and this will take some time. I will show you once it's finished. The same we can do also in Minimax. We can go to Minimax and just upload the image. And again, I will put like the same which I put here, walking. And let's see. Okay, so we have our results. The videos are generated. Let's check. This one is the Kling AI, the latest version, and it's a little bit like a static video. It's okay, and let's go and see what Minimax did. In Minimax, from one image, it's created like a walking cartoon. Perfect. You can generate more of this, and it will be very good. Okay, this is really good. Minimax has done a better job. We have a YouTube channel, so you can follow us. We have a lot of tutorials, and we are uploading like every 2 days, one tutorial. So that's it for today. Bye-bye.